Hello, I'm Wolfman. I'm with Seraphim Airsoft, and this is my woodland loadout. Guys, let's start with my boots. These are standard issued Air Force boots. What I like about them is they're comfortable and they're waterproof. Now moving up, I got the Woodland BDUs. Some things I like about them is they're very durable. I can get in the thorns and not get hurt, and then it's very comfortable. Only thing I don't like about it is it's a little hot in the summer. This is my chest rig. It's Voodoo Tactical. It's OD green. It got Molly on the front and on the back. Okay, let's talk about what I got on the rig now. This is my Condor magazine pouch. It's meant for AKs, but I hold 3 M4s in each one. Moving over to my dump pouch is a roll up. It's by Condor. Holds a lot of my magazines. One of the reasons I keep it on the front is ease of access. It's easier to get than from the back. Moving on, this is my radio pouch. In the front pocket, I keep my radio. In the back, I keep my cell phone. And on the other side, we got the Seraphim patch. Moving from the chest rig to my trigger fingers, I got Mechanics Impact gloves. Some things I like about them is they're very comfortable, they're padded. Moving up to my Shemagh, it's OD. It's one of my favorite things. I wear it every game. Usually I wrap it around my face. Protects me from the enemy. These are just basic ski goggles. They got an amber tint on them to help me see farther in the woods. They're safety rated. Let's move to my weapon. This is a Bravo RDW. This right here is the deadliest weapon on this field. It has a functional bolt catch. The gun's pretty stock. The only thing I've changed is added an H-nub and put a 6.03 type bore barrel. Add a lot of accuracy and range. And I've got it all hooked up on a 1-point bungee sling. Well, I'm Wolfman. Thanks for checking out my loadout gear. Click this to subscribe to Seraphim. Just click it. Triple dog. What's up, Wolfman? Hey, Ghost.
What is that?
You just gotta click it.